Hello and welcome. This video shows how a 10-person team can save real money. They save several $1,000s every month while managing tasks and communicating daily. I'll walk you through the numbers step by step. I'll prove exactly how you can save that much. Let's take a look at the screen now, and I'll show you where those savings come from. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Saving on expenses matters a lot, especially while your company is still growing. This is something you want to manage carefully, right from the start. Look, dear friends, when you use services like Trello or Slack, here's what happens. You get charged extra for every single person you add to your plan. And this limitation shows up very clearly once you look closely at their free plans and see exactly what those plans do and don't offer you. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Remember, your data isn't stored forever. Even on paid plans, retention ends once you stop paying. After a limited window, it's permanently removed from their systems. Now let's take a closer look at those numbers. $7 per user per month adds up fast. As your team grows, that monthly cost multiplies quickly. With a bigger team, you could easily end up paying several $1,000s overall. That's a real expense, and it's worth pausing to think about. But I'm going to show you a way to avoid paying that cost. So take a quick look at what's showing on the screen right now. Look at the cost difference right here. It's only a tenth of the usual price, yet you get 10 times more features for that price. This isn't an exaggeration, it's simply a fact. Take a quick look at your screen now. Right now, several thousand teams worldwide already use this system. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works. We'll be using a WordPress plugin here. It installs directly onto your business site alongside everything else you're running. You can give it its own separate database, or simply use your site's existing database instead. Either way works fine. It's a complete messaging system, much like Telegram and Function. You'll see just how capable it is as we go through this together. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. You get all the features, plus a status management system like Slack or Trello. And that capability comes built right in, already part of the package. This lets you fully manage your whole team, and it costs very little, just $169 a year. Notice there's no user limit here, so every single person on your team can join in, and there's no risk of ever losing your content. Your content always stays in your hands, under your control. That's because the whole system is open source. Now, you can fully customize it, and its features keep growing every day. That includes voice calls and video calls, built right inside the plugin. You get all of this working directly inside your own WordPress site. There's no more connecting out to other sites or relying on third-party APIs. No more of anything else like that. Everything happens right there on your own site under your control. You simply assign roles to each of your team members based on what they actually need to do. Then you can manage everyone easily with a complete messaging system built right in for you to use. Right inside WordPress, you can send voice messages, files, GIFs, and stickers. And that's really just the start of what's possible here. You can even right-click on any message and open a full task management system from it. What does that mean exactly? It means people can manage their tasks right from inside a conversation without switching tools. You simply turn a message into a task with one click. And just like that, you're inside a complete task management system. Notice how none of this ever requires leaving the chat window at all? This is a huge, complete system, and one you fully own right inside your own WordPress site. You can create boards, tasks, and cards to organize your work. You can create tasks and assign them to team members, track their progress, and set deadlines, even recurring tasks. For example, you can create these for tasks you do every single month. Now let's go over to the browser. Let's open up the Lumo Team Messenger plugin and take a look inside. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Let's install it now and see it running. Here's an overview of Team Messenger. This group's already set up. It has several members joined in. Over here, you can see all the shared files. Use it for teamwork or message friends directly, one-on-one. Take a quick look at what's on screen right now. You can communicate quickly and easily with your team. On the left menu, the task management section has two submenus. These are called statistics and monitoring. Here you can see how you create different tasks. Then you move the cards around as work progresses. You can even add notes to them along the way. This lets you enter important information right here. You can also add notes, comments, and more. This helps keep everyone on the same page. Installing this plugin is easy. I just go to the plugins section. And I start from there. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. And I'll click Add Plugin. To get this plugin, all you need to do is go to lumowp.com. Once you're there, come check out this plugins page. On this page, you can see all of its features listed out. You can also check exactly which version you're getting. There's a changelog you can look through if you want more detail. And anything else you might need to know is right there as well. Best of all, it comes at a very low cost. You can set it up for just one site, or you can use it across several sites, whichever suits you. Either way, it's really that easy to get started. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Keep this point in mind as we move through the next part. The cost is very low, and it's billed just once a year. With that single payment, you get full access to every feature. The price stays the same no matter which features you decide to use. What actually changes the cost is how many sites you activate it on. You can get the plugin over at lumowp.com. That's where you go to see it and pick it up. To install it, head over to the Add Plugins section. Click the Choose File button, then find and select the file you downloaded. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. So to install it here, I simply click the Install button. The plugin gets installed on the site, and then I move over to the button just below it. I click Activate to turn the plugin on and make it ready to use. Once the plugin has finished installing, an option called Messenger shows up here in the left-hand menu. Under Messenger, I have a few options to choose from: Messenger, Task, and Settings and Monitoring. If I click on Messenger, it first asks me to enter a license key. It won't let me continue any further until I do that. I enter my license here. Once we activate it, it asks us to configure the database. Since the database matters a lot for Messenger, I click Go to Setup. It then asks where you want the database to be stored. Do you want to use this site's own database, or would you rather connect an external one? If you choose external, you can enter your own database information in the fields provided. This step decides where all your Messenger data will actually live. This means you could connect a different Messenger app to that same database. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with this one. Its tables stay separate anyway, so there's no conflict. I click Install, and the app installs automatically. Messenger opens right away. Now we can message friends without any trouble. See how simple that was? We can also head into Settings. There, several options let us adjust things. These let us tailor the app to our own needs. Look, we can change the color scheme ourselves. Depending on your company's color, you can choose different colors for the overall color set. Put your team's name here, like lumowp.com, and you can even add a logo. You'll see it appear right next to the name. Now it shows who gets access to the Messenger team. That way, you always know exactly who's included. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. That means being able to send messages back and forth with each other. For this test, I have set up a few regular users, so we can actually see how this permission behaves in practice. Normally, a regular user does not have this kind of messaging access by default. But once you turn this setting on, take a look here in the Messenger section. If I search for my colleagues, watch closely what happens next. Their names come up right away, without any delay at all. You can see them listed clearly, right there on the screen. I can click on any one of them and start messaging right here, just like that. Look, this way you can easily send messages back and forth without ever leaving the app. Here in the Task Manager section, you'll find some default cards already set up for you. But you can customize these cards however you like. That means changing their names and updating the details inside them. You can even create dedicated boards for different projects or different teams. Up here, I'll click and create one now. I'll name this new board, for example, UI Design, and then I'll add the people who need to work on it. That way, everyone can communicate with each other right here on the same board. Okay, once the board's created, I can go ahead and create a task right here on the board. I can add a quick note to go along with it so the details stay attached. I can also leave a comment if I want to explain something further. Once that's done, I'll save the file, and then create the task itself. Notice the tasks section over here on the side. In that task section, you can go ahead and set a due date. You can also assign it to someone if you need to, so they know it's theirs. Right here, you can set a date or a time for the task so you know exactly when it's due. You can also assign that task to someone on your team so everyone knows who's responsible for it. Over here, you can pick some colors for its label to help you organize things visually. For example, you can add a label just for design work. Once everything looks right, just hit save. And now this card is saved, with all those details attached to it. Now this reopen button here comes in handy when a task runs late and needs more attention. You simply click it and it reopens the task. That way you can keep working on it until it's actually finished, instead of leaving it marked as done. This nudge makes sure we remember to follow up on that project later so nothing slips through the cracks. You can place this same kind of nudge on other cards too. Just add it wherever you need a reminder to pop up automatically. Moving over to the Messenger section, you'll notice there are settings here as well, letting you customize things further. From this area, we can create a brand new group right at the top of the screen. I'll type in Design Group as the name for it. Then I'll add some of my friends into that group. Now we've got a group fully set up, with people already inside it, ready to start chatting right away. We can see exactly who's in the group. And we can see all the shared files. These are kept separately from the main chat. These buttons let us view the members in the group. From there, we can make someone an admin, or instead, we can assign them a specific role. Overall, this messenger system is pretty powerful. It comes with lots of settings you can explore on your own. But to keep this video short, I won't cover every single one right now. I'll leave it at that for now. Just keep in mind, the messenger also gives you the option to customize things further. So take a quick look at what's showing on the screen right now. Now let's look at how this shows up on the front end. It gives you a link so anyone with access can log in. They view it directly, no extra steps needed. No need to log into the dashboard themselves. They can come here and chat with colleagues. Down in the connection section, you'll find various settings. These let you adjust things to fit your needs. You can also connect to FTP for your files. That lets you transfer files whenever you need to. These settings are easy to work with. Take a quick look at what's on screen now. Notice how each option is laid out clearly. Message your friends with it. I wish you all the best. Take care. Now take a quick look at what's on screen.